Eco-tourists and thrill-seekers headed to the Philippines and are finding both adventure and paradise in the 17th century town of Baler in Aurora Province. We take you there on this week's travels.
Balitang America travels with Mango Tours. Presyong sagad, tiket agad.
Within the province of Aurora lies the town of Baler, Luzon's newest ecotourism hub, offering adventure-seeking travelers the most exciting and memorable holiday experience. Add culture and history into your trip to Baler. Constructed in 1611, the Baler Church served as the last pocket of Spanish resistance against the American troops. Located in the town center is the Aurora Aragon House, a landmark built in honor of the wife of former President Manuel Quezon. Museo de Baler houses artifacts and memorabilia during the American, Spanish, and Japanese era. See the statue that represents the families who sought refuge up the Ermita Hill during a powerful tsunami which wiped out the entire old town of Baler in the mid-17th century. At the same hill begins a thrilling adventure with nature. As you enjoy the spectacular view of the sea, spend a relaxing moment with family and friends atop the towering Ermita Hill. The Casalarin Cove, a secluded paradise, offers a majestic view of the sea and mountains. Trek your way to Ditumabu Falls, also known as Mother Falls. One of Baler's leading attractions is the Balete Park, home to the huge 1,000-year-old banyan tree. Finally, head to Baler's most famous beach destinations, where aficionado and amateur surfers can experience the adrenaline rush from riding the waves.
Yung umagang-umaga pa lang, magsasurf na ako, tapos pag maganda yung alon, aabutin ka na ng tanghali. Yung halos, nagugutom ka na, ayaw pa rin umahon. Sobrang ganda ng alon, sarap sa pakiramdam.
Brave the waves and have the time of your life as fully qualified instructors deliver safe and fun surfing lessons.
So ang kailangan lang, makinig ka doon sa mga tuturo sa iyo kung paano ka mag-safe, kung paano ka hindi may injured. Yun lang naman yung kailangan.
Go on a vacation that's out of the ordinary as you discover the charm and adventure in Baler. Until next time, enjoy your travels!
For special packages, affordable airfare, and promos about this episode and more, call and book now with Mango Tours at 1-8662 Manila. Travel consultants are standing by. Mango Tours, presyong sagad, tiket agad.